Hi everyone, it's Louise. I have a question for all you guys, all of my subscribers out there, based on the fact that lately I've been getting a lot more really good questions, but very in-depth, that I can't just explain and answer using words in a response on YouTube. So it made me think, well, what can I do to help out here? And I've actually thought about the idea of having a Patreon account, but I really don't think I want to be attached to doing something like that on a monthly basis or more. So it occurred to me today, why don't I make customized videos answering exactly what your questions are in whatever area that you're looking at, whatever creation I'm doing, whether it being resin or a little more about the blowout, the paint consistencies, whatever. You ask the question and I would create a video customized to you, and it would only be accessible to you. Now I would do this at a fee because it would be expending more of my energy and thinking to get something customizable. But I think that might be helpful to anybody out there that's got specific questions about a specific area. I know one person asked the other day, how do you resin the lid underneath? Well, I can explain it in words, but it's so much better if I can just show you in actions. Now you guys know how my videos are in on a daily basis or every other day, how my videos are so full of tips and ideas and showing you, doing the show and tell. I think I could really give you guys a great service by providing you something that's totally customized to your needs. So leave a comment in this comment section below and let me know if this is something that you'd be interested in. I have no idea what fee I would charge, but I think you would find that the value I provide to you on a personal basis would be very much worth it in the time and the effort and the materials you save in the end by getting a direct answer to your needs. So let me know if this is something that sounds interesting to you. All right, thanks a lot, everybody. Take care. We'll see you tomorrow. I'll have another video out tomorrow. Take care.